And as Jon Fortt tells us, deal-making is on the minds of some of the biggest names in technology at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona.
What's next?
It's the most important deal-making conference for the mobile industry. And this week at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, the tech world's heavyweights are out in force. In his keynote, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg telling the audience that his company is eager to expand its free Facebook offering to generate demand in emerging markets.
What did you learn that's going to allow you to better scale this?
That it works.
But what's even more astounding is how disruptive the social media giant has been in the mobile world. WhatsApp, the free messaging service that Facebook purchased last year for more than $19 billion, has had a dramatic impact on the mobile industry in developing markets. In India, where about 10% of mobile users are WhatsApp subscribers, wireless providers have seen their SMS messaging revenues cut in half.
We focus on building great products. We look at the metrics to make sure our products are used and they, provide great experience for the users.
Back in the U.S., meanwhile, the NASDAQ is back at highs not seen since the dot-com boom. But the tech industry's Cinderella run of profits could be in trouble.
They're not huge margins in this market, but certainly we make money on each one, and we think it's a huge opportunity for the company in the future.
Thanks to a flood of cheap phones from low-cost newcomers like Micromax and Xiaomi, mid-tier phone makers like Motorola and Microsoft have been forced to drop prices to keep up. And that, in turn, could squeeze margins for suppliers like Intel and Qualcomm. And there's another lingering question for many here in Barcelona. What happens when the smartphone market flattens out even more? Wearables like watches have yet to catch on, but many of the mobile industry's biggest names, like HTC and Samsung, showed this weekend that they're still looking to the wrist and the face for signs of life after smartphones. But if the new technology fails to catch on with consumers, many in the industry might find themselves in a repeat of the PC era, when price competition led companies to buy each other to stay alive. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jon Fortt in Barcelona.